Just calling out this MTCH at the end of the day, match group. Just, you know, nice little retest. Previous resistance turned support right here. Nice little tight inside day. Do they have earnings? Oh, they didn't have earnings? Oh, that's a bad call on my part. The CERN is the best chart out there to me right now.
I'm with you on that.
That's
even
we're talking about the monthly chart is amazing. We talk about, sorry, I got a bunch of notes on here. So you'd see this monthly bull flag dating back 2014. Go to the weekly chart, insane bull flag. Then you go to the daily chart, insane bull flag. So that's complete time frame continuity. I'll definitely be in that one. This FTNT looks like it's ready to pivot higher. We saw some sick buying at the end of the day in this one. So that's definitely on my radar tomorrow. We saw biotech strong today. This Regeneron looks like it continues higher from here. This 620 area, 6-ish, yesterday's high. And then Okta, OKTA. So this day yesterday, that was earnings. And then they had an inside day today. And these software names have just been killing it this year. They've just been ripping higher, all of them, literally the entire sector. So we love buying stocks through their earnings day high, 217.50 for that Okta. Anything else? No, that's it for now. What you looking at?
The two main ones I also had the CERN through that 74.
Yeah.
Again, went through that. And then the other one is this IQV, that 165, you know, the macro level. The only hard part is, again, this is, you know, 5th day up. So if this goes tomorrow, I, you know, more than likely will not be in it, but this is one to kind of keep on the radar. If it does kind of stall out here and can tighten up, this would be one that I'll look to take through that all-time high, cool. Especially when you have BHG of the healthcare sector taking new all-time highs today. So it's, you know, healthcare is moving up, bios are breaking out. This IQV could be ready as well.
Yes, makes sense.